Hi, Mama. Are you ready to play with some toys?
Yes.
Okay. Close your eyes. And look! Spider-Man Duplo. 28 pieces. Ages 2 through 5. Look, Mama. Wow. You like it?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh. Ready to open it?
Yes.
Okay. What, Mama?
Is it up?
You ready to set it up?
Yes.
Okay, let's open it. Come on. Come on.
Wow.
Open it. Whoa.
Oh, this is just
Oh, who's this?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man?
Give it.
Okay, let me open it. Yeah. Who's this? Let me see, Mama. That's Green Goblin.
Yes.
Alright, let's set it up.
Set up.
Whoa! What is that, Mama?
The toys. Yes.
Cool. Where's Spider-Man? Wow.
What hand?
That's awesome. Woo! Here goes the Spider-Man truck. Beep 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 beep. Ooh! Open the door. Look, Mama. Whoa! Look at the money. Dinero. Here comes the Green Goblin. Hey, Spider-Man. What are you doing?
It's for fun in our bus.
Oh, you're going on the bus?
Yes.
Okay.
You hold big cake.
What are you doing there?
And I just going.
I want to drive.
No. No.
Oh, Green Goblin fell. Hey, Spider-Man.
Go.
Oh, Tita knocked out the bad guy. Get down, Green Goblin. Where's Spider-Man?
I failed.
Oh, let me see Spider-Man.
It failed.
Oh.
It's crying.
Oh, he's crying?
Yes.
Oh, be
No,
careful.
I don't want this one.
Ooh, who wants the pumpkin?
It's mine.
Here comes the Goblin. Where's Tita? Hey, there you go.
No, that's nice.
Whoa.
That's nice.
Yeah. Whoa. Open the door. Hello.
Hello.
Who's that?
Tita?
Tita? Where's Spider-Man? Spider-Man's to the rescue. Shh. Get out of here, Green Goblin.
That's just it.
You're not gonna mess with us today.
There we go.
Who's that, Mama?
This is trap called.
That's Green Goblin.
Go, go, go.
Oh, they're fighting? Uh-oh. Spider-Man, are you okay? Be careful.
Look at this.
Okay.
Look at kite. Go, 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 go.
Whoa, no, no, no. Spider-Man, get up. Pick up Spider-Man so he can fight.
Look at me.
Oh, Green Goblin. Here comes Green Goblin.
No, mine.
Hey!
This is mine.
Boom.
This is mine. Oh, from under there.
It's time to go.
Here we go.
Okay, close the door. Don't go. Close the door. This is Spider-Man. Oh, hey! They're fighting. Get down, Goblin. Yay! You will not defeat me today. Here, Mama. Daddy will be the Goblin.
Okay.
Hey, Spider-Man. Ready, set, go. Fight. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, Green Goblin, you are under arrest. Hey, Green Goblin, you are going to jail. Get in there. Lock him up, Mama. Uh-oh, he's trying to get out. Lock him up. Put him over here.
No.
And the bad guy is captured. Thank you, Spider-Man.
Go with this. Go with this.
Is he gonna try it?
Yeah, try your door.
Whoa. Okay, thank you, Spider-Man.
Fall.
Be careful, don't fall.
When you fall. Okay.
Okay, lock him up, Mama. That's the Green Goblin. Wow. Look at the Green Goblin. He is stuck in there. Okay, lock it up.
Lock it up. Oh, fail.
Okay, lock up the Goblin.
I fail. You fail. Hey.
What happened, Mama?
My dad caught me.
Oh, you're locking the Goblin up?
Yes. And he's crying.
He's crying?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
No, color key.
Where is Green Goblin?
I can't.
Where?
Give me.
Do you have the Green Goblin? Careful, Mama.
It's here.
The Green Goblin. Whoa. Lock him up, Mama.
One here. And
Yeah.
here.
Close the door.
Head and keynet, your feet, and no floor, okay? No, the floor.
Careful. Are you ready for surprise egg?
Yes.
Okay, open it. What is it, Mama? Oh, it's pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Let me see the pumpkin. Whoa, look at the pumpkin.
Okay.
Look, pumpkins, Mama.
Pumpkin. It's like this.
There goes Spidey.
Mama come.
Is that Spider-Man?
Yes. Don't ready.
Wow.
Bye.
Are they fighting, Mama?
Always.
Okay, be careful.
Careful. No.
No.
No fall. No do.
Mama?
No do fall. Okay.
Okay.
No do fall.
Where is Spider-Man?
Here go.
Uh-oh, Spider-Man's locked up. Did the Green Goblin lock him up? Uh-oh, help him, Mama.
We daddy.
Is he getting ready to drive?
Yes, drive. We're going.
Wow. High five, Mama. Yes, we got him. Now take him to jail. Good job, Tita.
Okay, open your door.
Okay, put him in. Are you gonna take him out?
Yes. It's fine.
Okay.
It go Mimi.
Oh, he's gonna go meet me?
Yes. It
Okay.
go toys.
You like-
real toys.
Okay, do you like your toys?
Yes. Enjoy buckets.
Okay.
And toys.
Alright, thank you kids for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time. Bye.
Bye. Nina.
Nina, this dog McStuffin.
Let's do something.
McStuffin.
Nina. Let's do the phone.
Oh, careful.
Okay.
And this is a Nina, a little girl.